Hey guys, I'm going to be starting my truck build pretty soon. One of the things I wanted to kind of do a review on was the Speedway 2-inch primary header kit that they got. And I've been just opened it up. I should have started this earlier, but here we go. 2-inch primaries. I'm really impressed with it. It comes with cheap gaskets. I'll probably buy thicker, nicer gasket set. But gaskets, header bolts, 4 2-inch primary tubes for each side with an assortment of bends in them. Plenty of tubing to hack up and make a set of headers out of. Collector pipes with a 3-inch outlet on them. They're pretty heavy gauge steel too. And 2 flanges here that they look to be about 3/8, I think. So a good solid flange. Looks like they've been plasmid. And I think that's about it. But all in all, this kit was $149 with free shipping off of Amazon, or you can get it from Speedway themselves. But yeah, I'm excited to get started on this, so stay tuned. Well, ladies and gents, it's here. I'm super excited. So stock's 460 out of 78 Lincoln Gold Series. Those might even be the stock auto light plugs. We'll see when we pull them, see what it looks like. I'm gonna pull the heads and do gasket kit on it. There she is. So far we're looking pretty good here. Cylinder walls are all really nice and smooth. Probably just run a ball hone through them and call it good. Distributor, still got to get that undone. Broke it getting it off the top and soaked it in solvent and had a pipe wrench on it, and it still is just barely moving, but we'll get it. Overall, it looks like it's going to be a pretty good motor. You can tell that they've had the water pump off it before. That's definitely not stock silicone there, but it looked that it had the stock spark plugs and wires on it. So supposedly it's got 40,000 miles. So far I'm liking it for 600 bucks.